Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Monday, December 15th. So looking at the NASDAQ today, we've got market tried to bounce first thing this morning and we quickly sold off into a gap fill trade. We came down, tested yesterday's low, and notice right below yesterday's low is the 50-day EMA. In the QQQs, that's 610 and a half. We've tried a couple times to break it. But looking into the afternoon, this is very steep bearish momentum. I think we have a very good chance of selling off if we break below the 50-day EMA. And if the market continues lower, let's see here, let me grab this. From this low to this high. If we break below the 50-day EMA, the next target is basically 605. Okay, that's a 50% retracement, and that is about $6 or 1% lower. The next target below that is 600 or 599, right in that area. So I think that would be the next phase lower if we don't hold here at the 50-day EMA. So be cautious, trying to play any bounce. We tried this morning and we're selling off. I think we have a decent shot this afternoon, to test and possibly close below the 50-day. So be careful in this market, everybody. Thanks.